Hi, this is OJ. I wanted to do an unboxing. I won some killifish from Dan's Fish. Um, Here's the name, Nothobranchius rubripinnis. I am very excited about these because I already have killifish, as you know, but these are peat spawners. So it's something I've been wanting to try for a long time. So I set up a little 5-gallon tank here with some green and some peat moss down the bottom. Now these are pretty small yet, so they might not use that for a while, but I at least have everything set up and started. Of course, because they're killifish, gotta have a good top, because you know there's suckers escape like you wouldn't believe. All right, so I just cracked open the box. Let's start to warm up. Nice box. It's got a heat pad in it, which it is getting a little cold. Heat pad is still warm. Box is nice and warm. Most of this is just filler, because these guys are just little guys. Okay, so here we go. Here is the female. She is just tiny, teeny tiny. And of course, killifish female is usually pretty bland. But that's her. Looking good. And here's the male. Dun dun dun. Now he's already got some color, but he's stressed out, you know, from shipping and all that stuff. So I'll add a little bit of video later and you see how impressive he is. But look at those fins. Woo-wee. I'm excited. All right, I'll be back once they get settled in a bit. Okay, we got our little guys in here, and my male is actually already guarding the peat. Look at that. He's staking out his territory already. This guy's just tiny. He's only about an inch, maybe a little bit more. But these guys only live a year, so you got to get them when they're little and kind of get them going right away. My research said at 72 degrees it takes about 14 weeks for the eggs to incubate. It's a great picture. It would be so pretty. Look at that bright red color. Healthy, active, throwing his fins around already. So already checking out the peat container. Of course, now he's gonna hide so we can't see him. And there's the female. She's just kind of chilling. Just like, what are you up to in that dish? Just saw her. Now these guys are only in a little 5-gallon tank, so it gives you an idea how little they are still. But supposedly as soon as they color up, they'll start breeding, because they grow really fast because they've only living for about a year. there's the name again, Nothobranchius rubripinnis. I won these at Dan's Fish. Takes 12 to 18 weeks for the eggs at 74 degrees. And they came in at a temperature of 79. So they came in plenty warm, the heat pack was still warm, all that good stuff. And they're doing good. Female looks good, and male's already staking out his territory. Thanks, Dan's Fish.